First, open Microsoft Teams and then click on the calendar icon on the left-hand side. Then click Meet Now in the top right corner. Try to give the meeting a suitable name, such as the topic that you'll be covering. Then click Join Now to start the meeting. If you have a presentation you wish to share as you talk through, then choose the share icon and then choose a window on your laptop to share with the students. The window that you choose to share will then appear in this window where it currently shows your initials. To record the meeting, click More Actions, then click Start Recording. You can see that it's now recording the meeting. At the end of the meeting, either choose Stop Recording so it doesn't record the bits where you're closing your windows, or just hang up. As you can see, the recording is now being processed and saved to Microsoft Stream. Once the recording has been processed, you will receive an email with a link to the recording. Simply copy the link to the recording and send it to your students in their channel. Thank you.